Hi, I'm Sterling Peterson, a partner and attorney here at Denton Peterson Dunn. Remote work is now a norm for many businesses, but with this flexibility comes legal complexities, particularly when employees are located in different states. First, businesses must be aware of the employment laws in each state where their employees are based. Arizona businesses are familiar with local laws, but each state may have different requirements for things like minimum wage, overtime, and benefits. It's essential to ensure compliance with these laws to avoid costly legal consequences. Workers' compensation is another key issue. While Arizona has its own workers' compensation laws, those rules may differ for employees in other states, so businesses need to update their policies to cover remote workers appropriately. Another challenge is understanding the tax implications for employees in different states. Arizona businesses need to understand the concept of Nexus, which refers to the tax obligations that arise when an employee works remotely from another state. You may be required to register and file taxes in that state, so addressing these responsibilities in your remote work policy is necessary. Classification of remote workers is important as well. Arizona and federal laws define what constitutes an employee versus an independent contractor, but these definitions can vary from state to state. Misclassification can lead to legal issues, so make sure your policies reflect correct classification. Finally, if you have remote employees working abroad, be aware of international labor laws, including tax obligations, work permits, and compliance with local standards. It is also essential to have clear, written remote work agreements to outline expectations, work hours, equipment usage, and performance. This helps prevent misunderstandings or legal disputes down the line. At Denton Peterson Dunn, we help businesses create compliant remote work policies to navigate these complexities.